What's up, YouTube family? This is LJ's Pressure Washing here, back with another video. Like, comment, subscribe as always. Today's video we'll be going over how much do you need to start a pressure washing business, and not very much. I'll say about $1,000. What you want to get is a machine, of course. Make sure your machine is about 2.5 gallons per minute at the minimum. About 100 feet of hose, 100 feet of pressure hose, a good wand, and if you can, I would get a surface cleaner. Also, make sure you got a downstream injector if you're gonna pull chemicals, or an X-Jet. And I like the X-Jet very well. It pulls about a 50-50 ratio of water and chemical. You just spray that up there, let it dwell for a little while, and that's all you really need. Also, make sure you do your research about chemicals for the right job, and that's all. LJ's Pressure Washing. I'm out.